Alrighty guys, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can tap into a huge market that's happening right now and make up to $250 or more per hour in this. So you're going to want to stick around and see this video, and I'm going to get you started on it here right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the video. Like I told you earlier, I'm going to show you how you can tap into a huge market that seems to be growing more and more all the time and get into it for free. This should be able to be done anywhere in the world as well, and how you can tap into this and make about $250 per hour doing this very easily, and just in a matter of minutes you can create this income for yourself. So stick around, we're going to show you this. First of all, my name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel that you see right here. And if this is your first time here to my videos, and or you've been here before to my videos, well, I can't imagine what's holding you back from it. Just reach back down there below the video right now, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified of when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on the channel. Okay, alrighty guys, well, let's go ahead and get started on this video here today. First site we want to come over here to is called peopleperhour.com. You can see it up here in the address bar up here at the top, peopleperhour.com. Now, I've done videos about this particular site before on my channel, but this one here I was looking at earlier today, and I found a pretty big, huge market here that I wanted to share with you guys that you can tap into and make a huge amount of money with this. Make almost like doctor's salary type money, okay? Well, anyways, for those that don't know, People Per Hour is a site that where freelancers can come and people can post their jobs, and then other people can put in proposals for those jobs and get those jobs and make a lot of money doing this, okay? And you can see it's trusted by thousands of businesses globally. You can see 1 million businesses trust this. It's got almost 3 million freelancers, and the freelancers have earned over $137 million off of this particular site here. There's no reason why you can't get involved in this as well. You see this site's been seen on BBC, Business Insider, CNBC, Forbes, and The Independent. And you can hire in minutes and pay per hour. This is for companies that want to come and see this right here, and so on and so forth. And it's also they also get fixed price offers, and it's trusted by our experts. You can become one of those trusted experts today and get involved in this. Also, and collaborate and so on and so forth here. And the fund, your money is always protected, it says, and they can join up for free and get involved in this. So that's a little bit about People Per Hour. People come here and post jobs, and then have other people put in their proposals to take those jobs and earn the money. So what we want to do is, if we come up here and we see this right here, you want to come over here and click on search, and you come down here and you click search projects right here. When you click on that, it brings you over here, and you can see all the different projects. And of course, this are all different projects that just mixed up all the categories together. But what we're going to do is we're going to type in right here into the search engine here, we're going to type in business logo. See that? And then press enter, and you see it's got business logo projects here. Look at this, guys, 843 projects here where people are looking for someone to create a logo for their business. Right here is one posted here a couple of days ago. It says, create a logo for my new business. They're willing to pay you $180 for this, just to create a logo. And I'm going to show you how here in a moment, how you can do that in a matter of minutes and create that logo for them to their specifications. Alright, next thing down here, you see modify a business logo for $26. Logo design here, $39. Luxury logo, $13. Logo for my business, $80. Logo and brand identify for a new business, $86. Business logo, $24 per hour on that. And then another business logo here for $30 an hour. I need a logo designing for my business, $86. And on down, $39, $105, $117, $100, $26, $86, 570, 164. This is all the money that you can make, guys, on these doing business logos for people who need this done. And look, there's over 43 pages of this, guys. 43 pages of people looking for help creating a logo design. Now, so how would you do this? Well, the way that you can do this and create it for free and get it done in just a matter of minutes so that you can get these jobs and come over here and make this money in just a matter of minutes, come over to this site right here. I've talked about this site as well. It's Canva. You see that here in the address bar? Canva.com. You come over here. It's free to sign up here. All you need to do is sign in. You can sign in. I'm already logged in here, but you can sign in with your Google account or your Facebook account, or you can create a free local account on Canva right on this site. And if you'll notice, I typed in up here in their search box here, I typed logos right here. And it brings up all these logo templates. You can start with a blank template right here and all these different ones right here. And it's, guys, it's just simple drag and drop. For example, let's just pick one here. We'll just click on this one right here. This Refresco here, travel agency. And if we click on that, it brings it up and you can see all the different colors that are involved in this artwork right here. And let's just say, for example, we want to use this template, so we create or click on use this template right here. It loads it up in the Canva editor, and you can see right here all the different tools and stuff on the left side right here. You can these are the templates, and we've got one of those templates right there now, and they've got many other templates, and these are all free to use. If you see, as put my mouse on it, you see it says free down here at the bottom right. All of these are free, and you can just got template after template after template, or you can upload your own template from your computer if you have one, or you can change the photos on the background, and they got different elements and things you can add here. You can add text, you can put videos on it, and change the background and folders and so on and so forth there. And it's just easy. For example, you just click on something and you can drag it and set it wherever you want. You can do that with the letters. You just double click on it and you can just clear it out and just type in whatever you want, and we'll just put the same thing back in there, and you can change the size of it. I mean, make it smaller, make it bigger. It's just easy enough to work on Canva, and you can create these logos for these people to their specifications that they give you in a matter of just minutes, and make all the money that you can make right off of this site by doing these jobs for these people that are asking for this. Now you might say, well, Kevin, why don't these people know that they can do this themselves, right? Well, as you can see, there's two reasons for that. Number one, they obviously don't know that they can go to Canva and do this for themselves, obviously, because there's 843 proposals here of people looking for help to make logos. So these are 800, let's just say there's 843 people right here that don't know this, that they can go and have this done for free, do it themselves for free. Or the second reason is they don't have time to do it themselves, so they're looking to pay pretty good money to have you do it for them. So why not take advantage of that and jump right in on this and make this easy money, guys. Just come over to Canva and create the logo. Once you're done and you have it the way the customer wants it, then you just come over to File, come down here and click Save, and then after that you come over here and click this and click Download it to your computer, and you just take it back over to your customer over here, and you give them their logo and you collect your money. It's just that simple and that easy. You should be able to make over $250 per hour with all of these people that are looking to have logos designed for them. Alrighty, now there's another site I want to show you that you can use. You can also use this site right here to do it. It's called edit.org. You can see it up there in the address bar, edit.org. and it's free to come here. You can sign up and register for a free account on this site. There, it doesn't cost any money. It's free. And if you notice right here in the search engine, right above my head up here where my mouse is, I typed in logo right there. You see that? And you can see all these different logo designs down through here that you can pick from. All the different logos, and you can size them, and it's the same way with Canva. It's easy drag and drop and just resize, and over here is all your tools. We're on the templates right now here, and then you've got your designs, and you've got text that you can add. You can add photos, different elements into that, and you can change and work with all of the colors on the logo design as well. This is all free, and then you just simply save it when you're done with it, and then download it to your computer and bring it back and give it to your customer over here on people per hour and collect your money. Just that easy. Alrighty guys, and if there's one, it's been said that some people say they've had some trouble getting signed up with people per hour to do the work on this site. So, but if you run into that trouble, you can also come over here to this website right here. It's called 99 Designs, and you can also become a freelancer on this site and set up your freelancing gig on this site to provide business or logo design to different people as a service on this site, and do the same thing and just charge, you know, anywhere $30 to $50 to $100 or whatever you want to charge to make your logos on Canva or this edit.com, all for free, not costing you anything, and it's free to sign up here on 99designs.com, like you see up here in the address bar, 99designs.com, and you can create your freelancing career here, and it's free to apply. You just click on apply now, and you just simply sign up with your email address and password. Tick the little box right there, I want to be a designer, or I'm a designer. Give yourself a display name, check that box, I agree to the terms and privacy policies, and then simply register and get logged in, and you can set up a gig here to become a logo designer on this site. The logo design seems to be a growing market. Obviously, you can tell by there's so many people here, 843 people right here just on people per hour alone, that are looking to have this work done for them. You could even set it up on Fiverr.com if you want to have a logo gig on Fiverr. You can also do it on SEOclerk.com and set up a gig there to also provide logo design as well. But to start right off with, you can come here to people per hour and take these jobs easy enough and create those logos in a matter of minutes, and then make pretty big money for yourself. Alrighty guys, that's the video I had for you today, a way to show you how you can make about $250 per hour in a short amount of time, and do this easily and have it easily done on Canva or edit.org. Alrighty guys, well that's what I wanted to show you. If you like this video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that notification bell. And if you want to see my #1 way to make money online, you want to click down there where you see it says mentorwithkev.com. Come over and check that out and see what's available for you there, and you can have your own affiliate marketing high ticket business set up in a short amount of time. Alrighty guys, well guys, I'm going to leave you with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days on the next exciting video. You guys have an awesome day today. Bye bye now.